How you doing, guys? Today we have a 2017 Hyundai Sonata hybrid. The customer have a key that currently it doesn't work, and we're gonna create a new key from scratch. Let's get started. So the first thing, I'm gonna find the OBD and I'm gonna put the dongle of the Autel KM100. I'm gonna start with the main menu. We're gonna go to Immobilizer and I'm gonna look for Hyundai. It tells me that I need to connect to the dongle with Bluetooth, so we're gonna connect it in a second. After it's been connected, I'm gonna hit automatic selection. The ignition doesn't work, so it's not going to read the VIN number unless I put it next to the ignition, and now I can read the VIN number. Her key, the proximity stopped working. So it's gonna read the VIN number. I'm gonna hit OK. We need to choose USA. Then it shows us all the year, make, and model. We're gonna hit yes. By the way, if you like those videos, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see my videos that I upload occasionally. We're gonna go to control unit, and first we need to read the pin code. Now this is an 8A chip, so we need to read the pin code with 8A. He tells me I need an internet, turn on the hazard lights and turn off the ignition. Hit OK. Oh, and then he tells me also to close the door. So we're gonna hit OK. Connected to the internet. It says that it might take a long time. It doesn't take that long. And here we have 6-digit pin code. We're gonna hit OK, and we're gonna go escape from this menu, and we're gonna go to the keyless system, and we're gonna go to remote control learning. We're gonna open the door. I'm gonna go to smart key learning. It tells me that that's gonna anyways delete it, so we'll have to write both of them together. It tells me to turn ignition off and open and close the driver door. We're gonna hit OK. It already registered the pin that it just read. Verify that this is the right pin. And now it tells me within 5 seconds after I press OK, I need to put the smart fob that I want to learn next to the ignition. Okay, so this was not it because we need to press on it. So I'm gonna do it one more time, and we're gonna hit OK. And we're gonna press it in, and it tells me that it succeeded. I'm gonna hit yes for the next key, hit OK, and press the start button with the fob. Programming succeeded. We have 2, we don't want any more, so we have 2 keys in the memory. We'll hit OK. So now everything is programmed, the chip to start and the remote, and let's test it out. That works nice and easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about the device, the car, or any other locksmith question. Now I'm going to use SEC-E9 key cutting machine, high security machine, to duplicate the blade, the emergency blade. The reason for the emergency blade is only for the door. In case the car batteries died, you can open the car manually with the door. I'm gonna go to the menu. I'm gonna look for automobile. I'm gonna look for Hyundai Sonata, and I'm gonna go up to 2011 and up, and I'm gonna hit the code on the menu and let the machine decode the key. By the way, my machine have the cover removed from the whole system over there because I had a problem with the belt I had to fix, so I had to open up the cover and fix it. Anyways, after it finished, let's do the decoding again because it wasn't sitting on the right direction. As you can see, I'm adjusting my my belt over there. The two sides of the key have different cuts, so it's gonna read like each side differently, and then we can cut the key. What I want to make sure that after that I decoded, I want to make sure that all the numbers on the screen are blue. If they are red, that means they are not good. Over here I can see that some of them are not good, so I'm gonna round it up. So now everything is round up. I'm gonna match the picture. I'm gonna hit OK on the screen, and then I'm gonna match the picture with the key that she have. Well, the numbers are matching based on what I look, so I'm gonna put the new one, hit OK, hit cut, speed up the cutter, and cut again. After I finish cutting the top side of the key, I'm gonna clean it up, the clamp and the key, flip it over, and cut the second side. After I finish cutting the key on both sides, we can clean up one more time the key and the clamp, and we can go ahead and test it in the door lock. So first of all, we're going to test the remote because we're outside. So we're going to lock it. Open the trunk. Looks like everything is working the right way. Unlock it. Everything works. Checking the proximity. It works as well. And try to start the car. And everything works the way it should. The last thing we're going to check the door lock just to make sure that we cut the key correctly. And that works amazing. Guys, thank you for watching, and I'll hope to see you in the next video.